Viewers, Madrasah Diniyah Mabadi Quranil Aziz held Akhirus Sana on Sunday, June 22, 2025.
This event took place at the Joglo House in Sumbang District. 10 male and female graduates graduated from semester 30 as a symbolic graduation. In the implementation of Akhirus Sana, it was opened by Umi Waliko as the head of the madrasah and attended by local village officials. Then the end of the event from Akhirus Sana is followed with speakers and graduation of students.
Not only in the graduation, Madrasah Mabadi Quranil Aziz also sport the love of the homeland by displaying regional dance di early childhood. I am Dimas Angga Agustira, back to studio.